How to report a video on TikTok. Firstly, you have to open and install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you can see I have opened the TikTok app in my phone. I am going to click on this arrow mark and you can see different options will appear here, and I am going to report this video. You can see there is an option of report. Click on report option. In this way, different types of options will appear here. You have to select why are you reporting this video. Like I am going to select misinformation and harmful misinformation. Click on it. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Harmful misinformation, you have to select any of the option which you are selecting that is suitable or not. Click on the submit option, and if you click on the submit option, that will be submitted. In this way you can report options like this. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.